Good morning students. Welcome to another video of biology. In this video we will be talking about human heart or mammalian heart. So human heart is the most sophisticated and advanced heart. Okay, it is made up of cardiac muscles. Its length is about 12 centimeter and breadth is about 9 centimeter, weighted about 300 grams. Okay, human heart is comprises within a bag-like structure named as pericardium. In human heart, there are four chambers found: two auricles, that is the upper part of the heart, and two ventricles, that is the lower part of the heart. The auricles are named as right auricle and left auricle, and the ventricle are named as right ventricle and left ventricle. Between the auricles and ventricles, there is a membrane found that separates the auricles and ventricles. Okay, so between the two auricles there is a membrane called interatrial septum found in human heart, and between the two ventricles there is a membrane found in human heart that is named as interventricular septum. Okay, so human heart is just perform the circulatory system, and circulatory system means the circulation of the blood, that is it acts like a pump like organ. Okay, so to transport the blood throughout the body. So to perform this action there is a chance of mixing this blood. Okay, so there is a division or separation found between the auricles and ventricles. So these divisions or separation between the left auricle and left ventricle named as bicuspid valve. There is a valve like structure that separates the left auricle and left ventricle. Similarly, between the right auricle and right ventricle there is also separation found named as tricuspid valve, and between the left auricle there is between the bicuspid valve there is three cups like structure that helps in prevent the backflow of the blood. That means once the blood always travels from auricles towards the ventricle, that is human heart is a one directional system. Okay, the blood which once reaches to the ventricle, it cannot be transported back towards the auricle. So to prevent this backflow, the valves, the cups like structure found between the left auricle are three in number that perform this action, and for the right auricle and right ventricle there is also two cup like structure that helps in backflowing the blood from right auricle to the right ventricle. That is the main parts of the heart. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the further video. In the next video we will be talking about the mechanisms of the heart. Stay tuned.